Hi guys, here 100 minus 20 plus 10 divided by 5 times 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 100 minus this is 30 divided by 5 times 2. Here 100 minus this is 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 2. Now 100 minus 6 times 2 is 12. Here 100 minus 12 is 88 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this 88 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket which high priority. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce that left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this PEMDAS rule. Here, as with the PEMDAS rule, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this before this outside bracket. So 100 minus 20 plus 10 divided by 5. This is times 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we have to complete this before this subtraction. So 100 minus, here we have addition, division and multiplication. Here we have division and multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this. Here this multiplication divisions are equal priority. So we have to follow here left to right. Left to right is this. So 20 plus this left to right is 10 divided by 5 is 2 times this remaining 2 in bracket. So 100 minus, we have here addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication. 20 plus 2 times 2 is 4. Now 100 minus this is 20 plus 4 is 24. Now 100 minus 24 is this 76 is the correct answer here.